nandito kami ngayon sa Asian Market, sa Oregon Market, dito sa Philadelphia. And here, ito ang asawa ko.
Hello!
We go every day somewhere. Guys, pakita ko sa inyo ang Asian Market dito.
Asian Market with Gina the Filipina.
Yep. Guys, please subscribe to my... Ayan, rice namin dito. A rice... No.
It's from Thailand, see?
It's sweet. I don't know.
It was worse.
Oh, look, they have planggana.
Dorian?
Ay, balde sila dito. Planggana. Butong gulay. Nice. Guys, may ano dito. Come here. I get some onions. Ano, may onions pa pala ako rin. Oh, you want... Nah. They have garlic. Kasi ito na yung ano nila. Dito lahat ang... I know. Huh? Yeah, here. Uh-huh. Yeah. Ang gamit sa bahay. Mga gamit sa bahay dito, kaso ang mahal nga lang ng mga yan, double price na. Nandito kami sa Dilata aisle. Dilata, you know Dilata? Dilata, the canned foods. Yeah, Dilata. Oh, jackfruit. It's heavy. It's heavy to carry. Buy one.
We got canned leche, mangosteen, jackfruit.
I want that jackfruit.
I'm carrying all of that.
Okay, may asawa, hindi daw siyang bibit-bit. Ayaw niya bit. Kasi, oh, sardines. Sometimes I miss the sardines.
How much are they then?
It's $1.39. Let me get this one.
Ligo too, the ones from the Philippines.
Yeah. Sometimes I miss sardines. Kasi, shredded. Look, asawa, you know what is this? Pandan. When you cook a rice, you put in there, the rice smells good. Look ako. Coconut. Ay. Look. Oh. Yeah. I like this one. May lumpia sila dito. Lumpia wrapper. Tapos may saba. Guys, katapos lang namin mag-grocery. Naka-spending kami ng $75 sa grocery. Na-scam ko na naman ang asawa ko, guys. Naka $75. How much is that in Filipino money?
Maybe 2,500.
2,500 grocery sa Asian Market.
Only a few bags.
Pero mostly mga ano lang yung chicheria, seasoning, yun lang. Tapos pork, ayun lang guys ang nabili namin. Tsaka pansit, kalabasa, yun lang. Alright guys, see you on my next video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye.